start of a new day, and there's the boat ramp. I remember I said it was getting kind of shoaly, and this area in the foreground was what I was concerned about. And yeah, when I first came in here, 1st of June, the water was clear up almost to where the top of the ramp is. Over there, those two trees on the left, I'd mentioned before that when I was up here on that same day when the lake was up to maximum level, I sailed the little 10-foot or the 8-foot nuthatch between those two trees on the left. So you can see how much it's dropped. And then over in there, about over in there, let's see, where's my snag? There's a stick tree out there that's kind of by itself. I'll look for it when I'm out sailing, but I think I might be able to recover my hat out there. But there's our island again, and here's the, we were sailing all up and down in there with the Lower Bay, all up and down around in there. You can see what the hazards were of sailing up there in too low water. So looks like it's going to be a nice windy day. Well, not too bad, but let's get the 10-foot nuthatch in the water. of another day, and you can see last week, I don't know if I had any, I didn't get, I took some shots, but they didn't come in. That little hump there was an island about 2 feet out of the water, and all of the beach was back up into here. The causeway down here hadn't materialized yet. It goes out probably about 600 feet, a couple hundred yards maybe less. So you'll still be able to get some boating in. Big thing is having to back down this long ramp, and then you can see over there where the stumps are. We were sailing out in all of that stuff in a couple weeks, and those stumps march all the way down into there. So, and we got to go down all the way to the end of the lake today. Well, not quite to the end. I didn't know how much wind was going to get me back, so it was a quick downwind run down to that end there, where there was a rocky promontory sticking out of the water, and I'll label it that had was a little island. And last year I had the Granville Bay up here, and we went down that way on a nice day like today, and I was able to sail around that little promontory. So it's coming down. I don't know how much I'll have left on that ramp. It's getting pretty low. Let's go down to